Okay, here's an update on the pollinator garden. We have a whole bunch of the Chinese mugwort popping up. See how it just pops up so quickly? See that? Pops up so quickly all through here, lining basically both sides. Right? Then we have some like brambleberry right there. The kids eat them. I don't really care for them, but the kids like them. Just some wild berries. But if you look closely here, we've got a lot of green popping up for the pollinator garden. See that? A lot of different sprouts coming through all through here, even in the clay. You'll even see it in the clay. Right? Mulch area over there. We're testing out a lot of different soils, but yes, so many different sprouts coming up. Right? Still have the Chinese mugwort popping up. That's totally fine. I can pull that as time goes on. Got the dead nettle right here as well. It's all right. Yeah, a lot popping up, but I'm super happy with the pollinator garden and its progress. We have had a lot of really hard rain. I was thinking it might be too much for the sprouts, but it looks like they're holding strong. See that? Holding strong, and hopefully it doesn't get cold anymore. Hopefully we can get some warmer days, warmer weeks ahead, and we'll be good to go. See, even over here in the mulch. Let me see if I can get closer for you. If you look in that mulch area, I just threw some mulch down to cover our old, this is actually a lot of corn. Corn stalks are underneath this right now. And the local wildlife loves that, so there's gonna be like snakes and box turtles and skinks living all underneath of this because I put down so many corn stalks. So they've got a lot of areas to wiggle around in and be protected. All right, let me step over these potatoes. Ugh. See potatoes right there popping up. I don't see any more potatoes popping up, but it might be too chilly. But yeah, over there, see, we got a lot of stuff sprouting up. See that? And I'll have to go back and double check as to what all I planted. But yeah, a lot of local flowers, and hopefully we get some nice color in here, right? Thanks to marigolds. Some marigold seeds are popping up right there, it looks like. But yeah, fun stuff in the pollinator garden. Ugh. Oh, almost fell.